History of cooking. Cooking is one of the oldest activities known to humanity, dating back to prehistoric times. The history of cooking is a story of evolution, innovation, and cultural exchange. Cooking was essential to the survival of early humans, as it allowed them to break down tough foods and make them more digestible. The first evidence of cooking can be traced back to the use of fire, which was discovered by early humans around 1.5 million years ago. Archaeological evidence suggests that early humans roasted meat on open fires, which helped to kill harmful bacteria and parasites that could cause illness. As humans began to form more complex societies, cooking became an important cultural practice. Early civilizations, such as the ancient Greeks and Romans, developed sophisticated culinary traditions and techniques. They also traded spices and other ingredients with other cultures, which led to the development of new dishes and flavors. During the Middle Ages, cooking became an important art form and the first cookbooks were written. Many of the dishes that we consider traditional today, such as roast meats, stews, and soups, were invented during this time. The Renaissance saw the rise of the first professional chefs who worked in the kitchens of nobles and aristocrats. They created elaborate dishes and used exotic ingredients that were imported from other parts of the world. In the 18th and 19th centuries, the Industrial Revolution led to the development of new cooking technologies, such as gas stoves and ovens. These innovations made cooking more efficient and allowed people to prepare food more quickly. In the 20th century, cooking became a popular hobby, and many people began experimenting with new ingredients and techniques. The rise of fast food and convenience foods also changed the way people ate, leading to the development of new cooking styles and trends. Today, cooking continues to evolve and adapt to changing tastes and preferences. It remains an important cultural practice and an essential part of daily life for people around the world.